Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage makes a bold statement with its aggressive yet elegant front-end design. The signature Aston Martin grille is now larger, giving the car a more commanding presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights with a revised daytime running light signature enhance its modern appeal, while sculpted lines across the body contribute to improved aerodynamics. Wider air intakes and a lower stance emphasize the Vantage's performance-driven nature, ensuring it looks as fast as it feels. Step inside, and the Vantage welcomes you with a cabin that blends luxury and sportiness. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara create an upscale atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features a redesigned digital instrument cluster and a new high-resolution infotainment system with improved connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Supportive, race-inspired seats offer exceptional comfort, while an upgraded sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Every detail is crafted to enhance the driving experience, from the intuitive controls to the ergonomic layout. Under the hood, the 2025 Vantage boasts a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 656 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Vantage accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds. Aston Martin has refined the chassis and suspension, providing sharper handling and greater stability at high speeds. An active exhaust system allows drivers to experience the full symphony of the V8's roar, adding to the car's visceral appeal. Beyond its stunning design and impressive power, the Vantage integrates advanced technology for enhanced performance and safety. Adaptive suspension, an improved electronic rear differential, and an upgraded braking system ensure precise control in all conditions. With its blend of speed, luxury, and innovation, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage continues to redefine the modern sports car experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.